So hello guys, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. For those who all are new here, hi, I am your video host Abhijit, and in this video I am going to discuss about the 4 best scooters in 2021. For complete information, please watch the full video. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the future video updates. So without wasting much time, let's get started.
You're a superhero.
The first scooter in the list is Yamaha Pasino 125. The Yamaha Pasino 125 is a retro themed scooter, comes with unique shaped headlamp with black bezels. The Pasino 125 is built to attract a younger audience with refined and peppy engine. In terms of engine specification, the scooter comes with 125cc fuel injected BS6 engine which generates 8 bhp power and 9.7 Nm torque. Compared to other scooters, the engine's figure might not be the highest in the class. In terms of design, apart from an idle start-stop system and side stand engine cutoff feature, the scooter offers an analog instrument cluster and conventional lighting all around. In front, scooter operates with telescopic fork, and in rear we can see unit swing suspension. Bike gets 90/90 12-inch tire in front and 110/90 10-inch tire in rear. In both ends we can see tubeless tires. Scooter comes with 5.2 liter fuel tank capacity, and we can expect around 50 mileage per liter. We get two variants in the Pasino 125. The standard variant with drum brakes costs 70,000 ex-showroom. Next scooter in the list is TVS Ntorq. TVS Ntorq comes with 125cc fuel injection engine that puts out 9.4 PS max power and 10.5 Nm max torque. Bike gets telescopic suspension with hydraulic dampers in front and coil spring suspensions with hydraulic dampers in rear. Bike comes with 100/80 12-inch tubeless tire in front and 110/80 12-inch tubeless tire in rear. TVS Ntorq is the kind of first scooter to offer engine kill switch, and they have also included hazard light and Bluetooth connectivity system. Recently, TVS has launched the Ntorq Super Squad Edition. The Super Squad Edition is available in 3 different colors. The TVS Ntorq 125 comes with different variant. The basic variant with drum brake cost 75,400 ex-showroom. Next scooter in the list is Honda Dio. Honda has made lot of changes in the Dio 2020. The new Dio comes with an ACG silent starter, and also it includes side stand engine cutoff system, external fuel filler cap, front pocket and new LED DC headlamps. Dio comes with 109.19cc BS6 engine with Honda's programmed fuel injection system. The company has retained the digital LED cluster with more information such as fuel range, average fuel efficiency and real-time fuel efficiency. In front, scooter gets 12-inch wheel with the telescopic forks, and in rear monoshock suspension with 10-inch wheel. Braking is handled by drum brakes at both ends, assisted by combined braking system. Honda is selling the new Dio BS6 with the 6-year warranty, including 3-year standard and 3-year external warranty. The scooter is available in 4 colors, including blue, red, orange and grey. The standard variant costs 60,000 rupees ex-showroom. The last scooter in the list is Suzuki Access 125. The Suzuki is leading the premium 125cc scooter segment from several years. The difference between Access 125 BS6 and BS4 are barely noticeable. The BS6 version now gets full LED headlamp, and the analog digital instrument console have been revised. And the digital units continue to provide the informations like odometer, 2-trip meter, fuel gauge, clock, and also now it shows battery voltage. Suzuki Access 125 comes with 125cc air-cooled BS6 FI engine which produces 8.6 bhp power at 6,750 rpm and 10 Nm torque at 5,500 rpm. In front, bike gets 90/90 12-inch tire with telescopic suspension, and in rear bike gets 90/100 10-inch tire with swing arm suspension. Bike comes with 5 liter of fuel tank capacity. Bike comes in 10 different colors, and the standard variant costs 72,600 rupees ex-showroom. That's all for this video guys. I hope this video was informative. If you guys also feel the same, please like the video and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the future video updates. I'll meet you guys in the next video. Until then, bye bye.